What future for trade unions? There is no doubt that the world has become much more complex and uncertain, and trade unions are facing serious challenges. Looking at the figures, we see that trade union membership has been dropping since 1990. If around the year 2000 there were 50 million affiliates in Europe, we were approaching 40 million 20 years later. There's nothing but a sharp drop of 20% and counting. While previous generations marched for social justice, young people today are out on the street marching for climate change. Their values and our values are the same, but joining a union is not easy if you have a precarious job. Moreover, Europe and the world are facing increasingly extreme opinions and polarization. We see it every day in the news. This uncertainty affects all actors, corporations, governments, and of course, trade unions. The question is how to deal with this. There is no easy, no perfect solution, but there is one tool being used to address volatility and be better prepared. This tool is called foresight, in short. It's a way of anticipating the future in order to shape it. It's such a powerful method, really, that it's being used increasingly by corporations, international organizations, and of course governments to reinvent themselves and to act rather than react to this changing world. Trade unions can turn things around. We can actively and creatively shape our future. Yes, the world is changing fast, but trade unions are there, making sure it changes for the better. Foresight can help us see the world from different perspectives, identify plausible futures, and get ready. Foresight is forewarned. Are you ready to try it out?